Meaning of hydraulically.
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 Hydraulically. The term hydraulically refers to the use of fluids, typically liquids, to transmit power or motion. This often involves the use of hydraulic systems, which use fluids to generate, control, and transmit power through the manipulation of fluids under pressure. When used in this way, hydraulic systems can be highly effective in a wide range of applications, from heavy machinery and construction equipment to automotive systems and even aircraft controls. Overall, the use of hydraulics provides a reliable and efficient means of transmitting energy and controlling motion across a broad range of industries and applications.